what are those things called? Grill plates. You don't have to. Hey guys, it's Crystal here with A Broke Plant Eater. Welcome back if you are a subscriber, and if you are not a subscriber, hopefully by the end of this video, you will want to be a subscriber. Today, we are still continuing with getting you through barbecue season. We have a few more videos that are gonna definitely set you on the right track. We've already made a delicious Mexican pasta salad with a spicy lime chili mayo. And we've made seitan burgers, which you can add whatever toppings you want, but they were absolutely amazing. They hold up to the grill, they don't fall apart. So today we are going to continue with our barbecue theme, and we are going to be making a delicious summer salad. So I had this salad a few weeks ago, and I've been eating it many different ways, many different variations, and I finally got the perfect variation down. It's so fresh, it's so delicious. No one's gonna ask you, is this vegan? Because it's just a delicious, delicious salad. So I have written down all of the ingredients that you are gonna need for this salad and the salad dressing on two separate cards. So get your phones ready. You are going to want to take a screenshot because here they are. Alright guys, we are going to start off by making that dressing because we're going to want it to sit aside. I just grabbed a mason jar. Again, I have halved this recipe, so it's not going to look like that much in this video, but I will put the full recipe down below. We are going to be starting off with some evoo. You can use canola oil. This is extra virgin olive oil. You can use regular olive oil. It works with those. I'm going to be adding in some liquid sweetener. This is maple syrup. You can add in agave. You can actually put cane sugar in here if you want. Some apple cider vinegar. And then we just have our seasonings here. That is ground mustard, garlic powder, onion powder, and some basil. Put the lid on and just shake it. That's it. Set it aside. In a large bowl, I have 4 cups of chopped spinach. Now, you don't have to chop your spinach, but the only way I get my family to eat the entire leaf of spinach, including the stems, is if I chop it. You can leave them whole. You can do whatever you want. So, to these 4 cups of spinach, now this is a half of a recipe here, so normally you would have 8 cups of spinach. I'm gonna add in 1 cup of blueberries. This is about 1.5 cups of chopped strawberries. All right, for my seeds, we are gonna be adding in chia seeds and sesame seeds. Chia seeds are amazing. I always add them to basically everything I eat. Really help, it's very heart healthy. And then I also have some shelled hemp seeds and almonds, sliced almonds. Really gonna add like nice crunches to this salad, although the spinach already has like a nice crunch. That is all you're gonna do. Now you're gonna take your dressing and pour it right over top of this. It smells so yummy. Mix it around. This is so fresh and so delicious. If you were taking this to a barbecue, I would take the dressing with you, and right before it's about to go out for serving, like out on the picnic table for everybody to grab some, I would then I would add the dressing. That way it doesn't get too soggy. Although I've had leftover of this in my fridge and I've eaten it like up to 2 days later. Oh, it looks so beautiful, and I know how delicious and how nutritious and how filling this salad is. So I'm going to be just transferring it into a serving bowl. So yummy. All right guys, let's do a taste test. Even though I know this salad is freaking amazing, I like a lot of salad, so. Oh, this is gonna be good stuff. I love salads that are different, that are not like just lettuce and tomato. I'm always adding like a crap ton of stuff to my salad. I'm trying to get a blueberry here. Yeah, there we go. Here we go. It's so good. It's so crazy because it's like naturally sweet with the strawberries and the blueberries. It tastes like you're eating dessert. And at first I wasn't gonna add the mustard, but it pulls everything in together. So good. So good. Everybody is gonna ask you for this recipe when you bring it to a barbecue. So that's it, guys. I hope you see how easy that recipe was to make. I hope you see how delicious it looks. Everyone is going to want a copy of this recipe once you bring this to a barbecue. It's refreshing, it's simple, it's easy. There's not a ton of ingredients that you have inside of your pantry if you are already a plant-based, veggie, vegan type person. And strawberries are in season, blueberries are almost in season. Definitely not breaking the bank on this recipe, just like all of the other recipes found on this channel. So if you are not a subscriber, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You are not going to want to miss every time I upload a new video, which is every Wednesday and Saturday. Also, if you make this recipe or any of the other recipes found on this channel, please don't forget to hashtag A Broke Plant Eater. We are on Instagram, we are on Facebook, and not only are we on Facebook, we have created a wonderful community. It is A Broke Plant Eater Tribe. It is a group found within Facebook where you can join, post pictures, post questions. If you're a blogger or a fellow YouTuber, feel free to leave links. Anything that is pertaining to a plant-based lifestyle or vegan recipes, anything that will help anybody else out, because we're all just helping each other out on everyone's journey. So until next time, folks,